Boy, we have got a good one for you today. Now, if you're looking for something like an appetizer or a meal or a snack or whatever for game day, we got something for you. Now, we can do chicken wings. We can do a lot of other things, but I figured let's do some sliders. Everybody loves a good little slider. You know, I mean, you pick them up, you can go with them, they're good, eat a million of them. But we're going to make our sliders a little bit different. We're going to make salsa sliders, salsa burger sliders, if you will. Man, this is going to be super, super simple, super easy, but I'm going to tell you what, you make these, they're going to get gone super quick. So before we get to showing y'all the groceries and everything we're going to cook with, please, if you're new here, hey, what we do here is we try to make cooking simple, fun, easy. Cooking should be fun and easy. And that's what we try to do. We basic ingredients, very, very tasty recipes. That's what we do. So please consider subscribing and ringing that bell notification. If you have been here, hey, thank you so much. Man, we're growing. We just hit over 8,000 subs, and I never in my life would have believed we'd be where we're at right now. I mean, that sounds like a small challenge to most people, but to us, it's huge, and we thank you. So with all that being said, we got to fire this griddle up. Ain't no need to over talk all this. Let's get to cooking. All right, let's get this thing warmed up. Let's go. Let's go all 4 burners. We're gonna cook a lot of these things. We get all 4 going. I'm gonna go about a medium on these because we're not making smash burgers now. We're just doing sliders. So we're gonna go about a medium, get this thing heated up, and we're gonna be cooking here in just a minute. Now you remember when I told you how simple this can be? What we have here is I got 3 pounds of ground chuck. We have some slider buns here, just some potato slider buns. Now I'm cooking for the whole family tonight, so if you're wondering why I have so much, you know, there's a lot of people here at Crazy Acres. We're gonna put some medium, thick and chunky, some salsa mixed in this burger. We have some medium con queso that we're gonna mix and put on, or not mix, but sorry, we're not gonna mix it. We're gonna put it on top. We got some butter here to help brown our potatoes up, potato buns. Okay, now while this griddle's heating up, now is a perfect time to go ahead and mix our hamburger and our salsa and get everything ready to put on the griddle. Get our burgers made out, the whole 9 yards. So let's get that done. Okay, y'all, we have 3 pounds of ground chuck and a whole jar of salsa. Now, honestly, if you want to measure out a certain amount, that's fine. What I'm gonna do is just kind of dump some in here and then mix it together. See where we're at. If we need more, we can add more. Let's just go ahead and get all this mixed up. I got maybe half a jar in here. And a lot of that might be pretty good. Because we don't want the burger to get soupy. That's what we don't want. We just want a good salsa flavor throughout it. Get it good and mixed up here. And we're going to make out some patties. I think that's going to be pretty good, y'all. Yeah. And you notice it's all throughout now. You can see the peppers and stuff throughout there. So now that we got that done, our hands are still dirty. What I'm going to do is you're going to make out just make out some size about the size of a slider for y'all. Look at that. I think that'll be good right about there. Make them out like you want them. As thick as you want them. Now see, I'm not doing the smash burgers, so we're not making the loose balls. We're just making out patties. Just big enough to go on that slider bun. There you go. We got 20 slider patties made out. As you can see the peppers and stuff throughout it, so you know all the other seasonings in there. Patties are made out. We got it mixed together. Griddle is hot, as you can see. So we're gonna throw down just a little bit of oil, spread that out, get these patties cooking. Won't take long. Get some oil down. Now, in case you're wondering what oil I'm just using canola. You know, I'm not gonna sit there and say you have to use expensive oils. You can if you want to. That's completely up to you. Canola has always worked great for me. Now we are still got this griddle on a medium. And this thing cooks hot on a medium. Let's go ahead and get our patties on here, y'all. There it is. Sound of the sizzle. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And there you go. All the patties are on here. Now we're not gonna season this with any salt and pepper or any other kind of seasoning, because we have the salsa in there and I want that flavor to kind of shine through. So we'll get this cooking, we'll give them a flip, toast our buns, and we'll be ready to build. Now as far as the queso goes, we're gonna put that on here in just a little bit. I don't want to heat it up where it's just really runny. I want to have some kind of form to it. So we're gonna heat it up and put on the burger right before we get them all together. And y'all, I know I say this a lot, but the smell of that salsa and them burgers coming off this griddle, yeah, buddy, this is it right here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. I may flip them a couple times. And as you see, look at there, getting a good little char on the back side of them. Oh yeah. And being we're using ground chuck, there won't be a lot of shrinkage going on. Okay, now that I flip them, I'm gonna turn these burners down to low and just kind of let them finish cooking. So let's turn the whole thing down to low. We've got a good little sear on here. Won't be long. Okay, y'all, these are about done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide them over and just kind of let them finish cooking over here. Now remember, the griddle is completely on low, the whole thing. So we're gonna slide all these over. Clean this up just a little bit. Not trying to get it squeaky clean, just clean. Let's toast our buns. Get us some butter, butter, butter. Almost forgot, y'all. Let's put our queso over here in the corner. Get it heating up just a little bit while we're toasting the buns and getting these burgers done. Go ahead and plop down our buns. I think I said we had 20 sliders. Give a little stir back here, get you warming up. Now I know I don't have 20 buns on here. We're gonna put some more on here. We have a warming rack. Got a brand new one, the new Blackstone warming rack. I'll show you all here in a minute. We can put the buns up here once they're done and get the other ones toasted up. Look at that, that's starting to steam already. So there y'all, see how simple this is. Won't take long. Get a little toast on these buns here. The toasty bun action, look at that. Ooh, baby. Oh, yeah, buddy. Now you toast them up to your liking. I got these 12 done. I'm gonna go ahead and get this warming rack put on here, get these buns up, get the other buns on. Y'all, I found the warming rack. I couldn't help myself. I had to go get it. Y'all check this thing out. Ain't that cool? That thing is cool, y'all. Look. Perfect for that right there. Look at the toast on that bun, y'all. Man, yeah. Get a few little other buns down. Get them toasted up. And we're gonna be ready to eat. Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and kill the burner over here under these burgers. They're done. There you go. Now get it 20. Throw our queso up just a little bit and Saluda. Kind of way I want it right there, y'all. A little thickness to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. Set it over here, and it won't be for just a minute. We're gonna be ready to make us some salsa sliders. Okay, y'all, let's check our buns. Oh yeah, I can go with that. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Look, look, look. Let's get all the buns up. Buns are toasted. The salsa burgers are done. Quesoed. It's warmed up. Ain't one more thing to do. We got to build a couple of these, and then got to assemble all of them for the crazy kids later on. But I'm just gonna assemble a couple up here to try out and see how they go. So we need some bottoms. Let's do 4 of them real quick. Got us 4 burgers over here. Like so. Now, all that salsa. Put the queso all over this. And yeah. Top them off. What y'all think about them sliders? Huh? Take a close look at them. Y'all, that is some good looking sliders. Because not only are they cheesy, I mean, look at that cheese going right here, y'all. They got that salsa in them. Slide you around. Get you the money shot back here. Oh yeah, there it is. This is what we've been waiting for. This is what we cooked everything for. This is what we did all this hard work for. It really wasn't hard. I only made 4 up for right now. But as you see, I've got a lot more to make. But I'm not going to bore you with how making each individual one. They're all made the same. Now, if you want to top this with lettuce, onion, tomato, whatever you want to top it with, that's fine. I figure I kind of want that queso and that salsa to shine through. So I'm not going to drag it through the garden. So, with all that being said, I'm hungry, y'all. I'm going to try this one right here. Right here, right here, right here. Let's see. Boy. Yeah, buddy. Let me look. There's even peppers or steam coming out. Oh, man, I got to have another bite. My burger's so juicy. So tender. The bun is toasted perfect. That medium con queso on it just tops it all off. This don't need to be drove through the garden. It don't need no lettuce and onion and tomato. It don't need nothing else. It's perfect. Tell you what, you make these up for a weeknight meal or whatever, game day, they're going to go quick. So you better make more than what I made, because this is just to get, when kids get into this, it's going to be gone quick. Well, I think that's it. I got to finish up these because the kids are getting hungry. And please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much. And we'll see you next time.